Hi friends, welcome back. I'm here at Kroger's and they have some beautiful plants out. So if you have a Kroger's in your area, this is what they have. Starting with the foliage in front of us, they are $19. And they have all of these beautiful, beautiful plants, especially the crotons. I love those. So yes, guys, all of these are $19. That color is so pretty. Big tree. Isn't this gorgeous? I've had this one before as well as this one. Beautiful coleuses are $11. Sunbeckia is $11. Alrighty, they have trees over here. The first one here is the bald cypress. The cypress bald is $25. The olive tree is $25. And Miss Fig is $25. Impressive for a grocery store, right? Okay, so yes, we have more trees over here. Pear tree is $25. This is the red maple, purple leaf plum, it's the wisteria, so here we have shining star lit up blue stem, great for erosion control on banks or slopes. More beautiful moms here for $15. They are the hardy moms. Blackberry trees are $17. And the black diamond crepe myrtle, they're $17. Atheas, they're $17 and they are by proven winners. Purple pillar, pink chiffon, this is the Wandering Jew tropical foliage for $15 in the hanging basket. The mixed foliage tropical here is $15. Absolutely gorgeous. Alrighty guys, the grape ivy is $15 as well. Absolutely gorgeous. So yes guys, that's what we have here at my Kroger. So if you have one nearby, hopefully you can find these wonderful finds yourself. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all in the next one.